Here's a convertible we don't get into often at Unique, especially in classics. 1960 Buick Invicta custom convertible. Just a little over 5,200 of these made. This one still has the original numbers matching. Nailhead 401, so 401 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. This paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Nicely equipped car too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. It appears all the AC components are still there. We're going to pop the hood here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. We'll take a little closer look underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car out for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, take your time looking at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, wheel covers, white wall radials. Now, I do want to show you, there's a few spots on this black paint. Number one, it is black. So, is it perfect? No. A few imperfections here, there, like that. See a couple small just touch-ups. Don't get me wrong, it's still got a nice shine to it. This car will definitely turn some heads, especially the fact it's a 1960 Invicta convertible. But I wanted to just let you know, paint is not perfect on it, but it does show well. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see those panels are nice and straight. This car actually spent the majority of its life in Missouri, so it has not been an upper Midwest car. And it shows, definitely looking up and down the panels on this one. Paint code AA1, so this would have been an all black car with a black top. So it still looks very much the way it would have back in 1960. Interior was a maroon leather interior, 649 trim code. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, and like I said, start it up, take a peek at the engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, we have the parade boot or convertible top cover. Black vinyl. We'll also put the top up. Check out the condition of that. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see chrome does show its age. Some of these rear bumpers on the top there. A lot of cool bright work on these cars. Now, if you're into the 59 and 60 body style, maybe you like Buick convertibles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you just like looking at cars, go ahead and subscribe. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in it. And again, panels, they're nice and straight. Take a little closer look at this interior. Appears that it has been reupholstered, obviously. Free of rips, tears, holes, anything major. Bucket seats up front with that armrest in the center console. Appears it could be the original dash. There's a little bit of cracking over in the passenger side. Door panels. Now, of course, to start this car, it has the foot pedal starter. So turn the key on. Make sure that you're in park. Push the foot pedal down and it will start. And of course, the dash, I should say the way the odometer and speedometer is set up in this. This is actually a mirror right here that reflects from down below. Technicians did mention that the speedo and the odometer were in-op, just so you know. A couple other things they did note: new plugs, wires, rotor, and distributor cap, as well as newer tires, master cylinder. So let's go ahead. We're going to turn the key right there, and let's go ahead and push this foot feet. I did have the radio working. Let's click that on. I can show you the radio working. You have to warm up just a tad here. There's that 401. Again, paired up with an automatic transmission. Fine tune the radio a little bit. Like I said, I did have it working. A little staticky indoors here, but radio does power up. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. There's a rumble coming out of that nail head. Nothing crazy or over the top. Alright, let me pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open. And let's check out that engine bay. And then remember, we're going to check out the convertible top, see how that works, and we'll take this car for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, hood liner, and the original numbers matching V8, 401 cubic inches. We do have a battery disconnect for in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. Mentioned earlier, power steering, power brakes. Does have a new master cylinder, just so you know also. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And again, it appears that all the components are here for the AC. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. Alright, let me go ahead and get this convertible top cover off, the parade boot off of there, and get things set up for us. I want to show you the top going up and down. We'll take a look at the condition of that. We'll take this for a drive. And top up and latched up front, so you can see the power top. Got it up fine, and nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up too, so you can see how that fits. It appears that the top has also been replaced along the line. Black vinyl. Rear window, nice and clear. Have not noticed really any rips, tears, holes. Just a little bit of dust there. Side glass, passenger side. And back to the front. Nice fit above the windshield. Tell you what, let me quick set the camera up and I'll show you the top going back down. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this. We're going to take it for a drive. 1960 Buick Invicta Custom Convertible. Not a lot of these out there. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1960 Buick Invicta. This car is a convertible. Beautiful black Buick with red and white interior. Kind of a dark red, kind of a burgundy almost. Nice throaty rumble to the exhaust in this Buick. We do have the top up today on this convertible. Does not appear to be a speedometer that is functioning. However, our radio does function. The factory Sonomatic AM radio, working well. This is an automatic on the column. Very cool gear shift indicator, like a bullseye sight. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you might expect from this era of vehicle. Not enough to give any trouble. Lovely curves on the body of this car. Those slanted fins in the back, amazing style. The way the speedometer is recessed down in. We have warning lights for cold and hot, warning lights for most all features. A right turn signal indicator does work. Brakes are working well. Corners well for a 1960 Buick. One of those cars you might call a boat. It feels very luxurious on the road. The steering wheel is cocked a little to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. For letting go of the wheel, this car stays right where you put it, right in the middle of the lane. Very nice ride. Nice bucket seat interior with center storage compartment between those seats. Take a look at the pictures at Unique Classic Cars for all the close-up views of all the style in this car.